welcome back to my channel. If you saw my video yesterday, I shared with you my top 3 favorite Evan Moor workbooks. That was a really hard video for me to make because I have way more than 3 that I would consider favorites, but I did narrow it down to 3, and I mentioned in that video yesterday to stay tuned for today's video, which is actually kind of a surprise. I have a $50 Evan Moor e-gift card to give to one of you guys. So you guys know, if you follow me for a while on my channel, I've used Evan Moor with my youngest daughter for years. I used a couple of things for my oldest too when she was in middle school and maybe early high school, I don't remember. But now everything that we're using Evan Moor is for my youngest daughter who just finished up 5th grade. And I cannot say enough good things about them. And I talked about that a little bit in yesterday's video. Whether it was the 3 books that I shared yesterday or any of the other Evan Moor workbooks that we use, I truly, truly love them. It's because they're affordable, they are accessible, they're open and go, they're easy, they're not intimidating for me, they're not intimidating for her, and they just get the job done without too much muss and fuss, without too much time and effort on my part. I just love that about them. And so even though we have some curriculum that we use that is a little bit pricier, not everything has to be that way. And we actually use some Evan Moor workbooks in combination with that pricier curriculum because I just find that it's really fun and really mix and matchable with anything. They're standalone, but you can also add them to something else you may already be doing, and I love that. So I figured it was the right time to go ahead and offer you guys a giveaway because I do talk about them so much. So if you guys are interested in entering to win a $50 Evan Moor e-gift card you can use to spend on anything you want on the Evan Moor website, definitely check the link in the description box. It is a Rafflecopter link, so there are a couple different ways you can get more entries to win. But I personally am not going to be picking out the winner. It's a random thing. So you just go to the link below and you can sign up for the giveaway. And then at the end of the week, I will have a Rafflecopter pick a random winner. So the giveaway terms are going to be May 13th through May 20th, 2021. And I'll have all those typed out for you in the description box. And then after that, I will contact the winner and let you know who Rafflecopter has chosen as the winner. But I just feel like it's a really fun way to give back to you guys and encourage you guys if you have not already tried Evan Moor and maybe you want to know more about them and kind of see what their stuff is about. Or if you have used Evan Moor in the past and you already know how great they are and you want to add a few more of their workbooks to your curriculum lineup, this is the perfect time to do it, and I'm happy to be able to offer this to you guys. And thanks to Evan Moor for providing me with the gift card to give to you guys, because I have talked about them long before I ever worked with them. And now that I am actually working with them on some videos, not all of them, but some of them, I'm really happy that they're providing this to you guys so that you will be able to try out their workbooks as well. If you're interested in entering the giveaway, definitely check out the description box for the giveaway terms and also that link so that you can enter the giveaway. Good luck to all of you. And in the meantime, if you want to check out my homeschooling playlist, I will also link that for you in the description box. All of my previous homeschooling videos, whether they're about Evan Moor or other curriculum choices, curriculum reviews, all of those homeschooling related videos are in that playlist. So check it out before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.